Welcome to DJ.
My people, greet una, welcome una to DJ MTV.
Yes, so my people, those of una wey dey believe anything una see for social media, una see this post. So this post na post wey go viral yesterday, say Verydarkman don get another Benz and mansion for Benin. My people, not be small thing o. Hey, some people go just see something for social media, they'll just believe say na true. Verydarkman, as they talk rich, they do all this activist twitch. Una no know wetin go fit acquire and wetin no go fit acquire. Anyway, he don respond to una. He don respond to those wey post this thing for social media yesterday. My people, I go play on this video now. Mona listen to Verydarkman. Mona hear a response concerning this whole matter. Onto the Benz wey they say you buy. Audio Benz have been a spirit Benz. Mona watch and make una share with the comeback.
All right. Congratulations to me as I just got 2 Benz and a mansion in Benin. Woo! Celebrate with me, man. Thank you very much. Are you people that dumb? Now, no get sense for this social media. A lot of people just send me DM. Oh, congratulations. A lot of people don't call me today, say, hey, we seen you, so you don't buy Benz, so you don't buy mansion. Now, no get sense. Now, no know what I feel do. Now, no know what I feel do. I just go Facebook now. I go Twitter. Did you not put Twitter? Verydarkman does they like say no get money, they disguise. If they use that in house, say they get fans. If they disguise, blah 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 blah. Different talk. I can't open Facebook, go see. God's Mercedes Benz GLE 350 earlier today. Very dark dirty man is now owner of 2 Benz just within this year, and the owner of a mansion in Benin. First of all, I don't even know anywhere in Benin. Why would I go and buy out a mansion in Benin, for crying out loud? Secondly, I don't even like Benz. I'm a BMW guy. I prefer the Empower series, for crying out loud. Do you understand? And mostly I prefer like muscle cars, like really big muscle cars. I use an FJ Cruiser. I prefer like the Wrangler. I prefer like the Tundras. Do you understand? Those are like the cars that I prefer. I don't use all those buy Benz. And secondly, even if I buy Benz and a mansion, who told you people that you will know? You will not even know. You will just say I don't move. Don't go inside the house. I know they where I did again. Simple. For now, I cannot afford it. When I no carry me go where I don't know, I beg. I cannot afford it. I beg. I don't see different news. Just they use that in one room, take the disguise. Just they claim say no get, so that I go deceive people. Jesus Christ, how do people come up with all these things for crying out loud? I beg. I don't know what you guys are talking about. And before I thought say this car when I own a Maserati, I know say when I don't see the logo. Before I thought say Verydarkman buy Maserati, I no buy Maserati. I no buy Maserati. Now my friend, now my rich friend get the Maserati. You understand? Now my rich friend, I ain't get the Maserati. So a few days ago, I bashed my car. And when I bashed the car, I can't call Panebita, I can't carry my car yesterday. So you can say, carry my Maserati. You understand? Carry and go cruise, go flex. Now so I don't use the Maserati like this. If they bring my car, calling Maserati, go drop them. And this is because I have rich friends in it. You understand? So I beg. And also, I have only one Facebook account. In short, if you want to verify the news about me, if you don't see it on my Instagram, the news is fake. I hear some people say that they scam them with my name. I don't do business. I will not call you to come and do any business. I don't tell Nana no the year. If they scam you with my name, that's your business. I will be the mumu. By that time, you will learn and you learn the hard way. Don't play. I did not buy Benz. Bye.
Hey, my people, don't be smart, you know. Una don hear from the horses smart himself. Verydarkman don confirm am say he no buy Benz, so he no even buy mansion for Benin. Says he no even know places like that for Benin. Talk of say he will go buy mansion for Benin. Those of the way they believe social media news, all this they believe everything una dey see for social media. Una dey at una own risk. Anyway, your updates wey we carry come for now like this be this one. I'll send a reason, but make una drop comments and make una don't forget to like and share. Una do well. See you in the next video.
DJ AP.